My name is Joanne from Osmed International. Osmed International is a leading supplier of innovative, inexpensive beauty and medical equipment in Australia and around the world. The equipment we supply is all TGA approved. Today we are introducing MedPulse 200. MedPulse 200 is an IPL system machine. IPL means intense pulse light. The IPL system works on the principle that light energy is absorbed into the target cells with color in the skin, meaning melanin in the skin. The benefits of using the MedPulse results in quick treatments that are comfortable and effective. It also features 3-in-1 cooling system to maximize safety and comfort to each client. The machine is designed for the purpose of skin rejuvenation, painless skin hair removal. I'll be showing what comes in the accessory pack when you buy a IPL machine. In the accessory pack we get the keys, which turns on the IPL machine, we get the electrical cord for the cable, we get the funnel for the water to fill in the machine, we get the protective goggles for your client. We also get a goggle for our protective eyewear during treatments. And now to demonstrate the IPL machine. The handle, which is SR for skin rejuvenation. The HR handle for hair removal, and the big spot for quicker and more effective results. On the side here of the machine is where you connect the handle to the machine. The key for on and off. Emergency switch. You've got the front screen. This is where you put in the cable, connect the cable to the machine. Over here we've got the inlet where you put the funnel in, you press in, place the funnel in there, and at all time you use distilled water, and this machine can fill up to 3 liters. To remove, you press in and it comes out. Down here we've got the outfall and the overflow, and as you could see, this machine has wheels for easy to move. Now I'll be explaining about hair removal treatment with the IPL machine. On front of your screen you will see a picture explaining the different parts of hair removal. First is the light produces heat to the hair follicle. The hair follicle emits specific band during the process of hair removal. The hair follicle absorbs the high temperature. Then the structure of the hair follicle is destroyed without damaging the surrounding tissue. And then you can see the skin after the hair removal. Before doing any treatment on your client, I suggest that you always prepare a consultation with your client. Cover all contraindications and before and after care before you start any treatment, you always make sure your client is wearing their goggles for safety at all times. Now to explain a bit on the front screen of this MedPulse 200. The front screen is touch screen. For today's treatment, we will be working with hair removal, so we press HR and then next. On the HR mode, we've got the energy level, which always starts with 20 and doesn't go any lower. Then you can work your way up. We've got the programs, which is program 1, program 2 and program 3. Program 1 is for dark skin. Program 2 is for medium to Asian skin. And program 3 is for light or fair skin. For today's treatment, we'll be working with program 2. And then before you start your treatment, you always press start. When you press start, the machine starts to simmer, and then it would let you know when it's ready to begin treatment. But before we begin treatment, we always put it on standby for safety. To get your client ready, we always wipe or clean the area to be treated. We're working on her legs today. We always suggest to let the client shave a day or two before treatment. If your client did not, that's okay, because we can always trim. And if you leave the hair 1 to 2 millimeter, that is fine. When you finish trimming, before using your IPL machine, always make sure you wear your safety glasses. And before we do any treatment, we always make sure we press start, wait for the ready signal, and always try the machine before using it on your client. So we have maybe 2 flashes, 1, 2, that way we know that it is working. And always before following on with your treatment, always test the machine for your client's comfort and see if it's okay. Putting it towards the floor and testing 2 shots to see if the machine is working fine, which it sounds it is. And then you can test it on yourself. Just so you could see that your client is safe at all times. We apply gel and you test it. And then you can put it towards your client's skin and test it on your client. And then you ask your client if she feels fine. How does it feel? Is that fine?
Fine.
Okay. Because the temperature is fine for the client and the energy level is fine, we can't go any higher, we can continue treatment. Please do not look directly onto the light, even though you're wearing your protective glasses. After you finish your treatment on your client, always suggest to follow up treatments every 3 to 4 weeks. Finish the treatment, you always make sure you wipe the legs clean. Press standby. Wipe the lens clean, the xenon lamp, with alcohol wipe. And always suggest after treatment care to your clients. For example, always suggest for them to stay away from the sun as much as they can, or apply SPF 30 plus at all times. Now to turn off the machine, we have press standby and then turn the key upwards and it switches off the machine. I would like to thank you for participating in today's hair removal training session with MedPulse 200. Thank you.